Cool. Let's do this. So I'm walking through on YouTube. There's Jim. Hi, Jim. So we got Slice Engineering. We'll wave to Slice. Exo Slides, which is always good. Easy Build Core X5. Capricorn. We all know tubing, right? We got PM Filament. They now have a warehouse in the United States. That's the old Prusa filament. If you like that silver stuff that came with your printer, that's them. Let's keep, oh, so we got Prusa here, which is always a madhouse. We're gonna try to get through here. They have a tiny, tiny printer. If you'd like to see it, I will try to get you in here. Tom's in here, so look, everybody, there's Tom. And there's Joe, but we'll back off. So, keep going, keep going. Oh, here's FTL. Nerf blasters. And the firing range. We can spot Chris's basement stuff. Of course, there's tool changer, and Sanjay's in there, very busy, working on stuff. Yeah, see, look, there's one of Paul's printers. And then I'm collecting my own logos. G Create, Project Red. I like this Delta. I'm a big fan of this one. I dig that one. All right, we'll go through some of the center ones in a second. Of course, I dig the drum set. And there's Jason from LDO. He has all the cool motors. There's Tony, Printed Solid. Tony, there's Ultimakers and stuff. There's Dave. Dave's from Printed Solid. He's brought a lot of filaments. All the filaments. All the hardware, that's right.
We brought all our motors, all the Prusa parts.
So if you're not at ERRF right now, get here and bring some money.
All the money.
All the money. So that's good. We got that. And then Maker Box over here, of course, Matt. You get your subscription, and you can come buy samples. So that's always fun. And then a giant TO Poly SLA printer. That's what you really need, right there. Everybody should have one. There you go. Only $17.99 USD. You need one. Everybody on the internet needs one of those. There's Ron, the Happy Extruder, right there. The man. We've got the White Knight belt printer. And then we have the Squire, the smaller White Knight. Carl is in there, always talking to someone. We have 3D Chameleon, multi-extrusion. You can check that printout right here. 4 extruders on top. I'm definitely going to check this one out at some time. It is pretty cool for what it is. Got to check that out. We've got the community 3D, the Friday night community hangout over here. The biggest printed sword you've ever seen, Midnight Giant. Of course, he brought the biggest one ever, so that's always good. Mike's there. There he is. Awesome stuff as usual. So what else? Next core. So this is Ventura 3D. Some of you know Chris Lane. This is his next upcoming machine. Looking pretty good. I like it. I am. That is Josh from Alien 3D in a giant alien costume, which I am not doing the chicken dance with you. And I'm glad you did it for me. But I'm not sure why he's in an alien costume, but you know, that's what he does. Mosaic. Of course, we have palette. Everybody knows the palette stuff. There's Mitch. Oh, we got to check out James here. Of course, Ready Printer 1. And we saw that at Murph. And then we have the new cabinets, the mini Ready Printer 1 and the Ninja Tools version. Very cool. We got proto pasta over here. I'm trying to walk somewhat smooth. They're actually making filament on site, which is awesome. There's Pooch, got the rep boxes, Gecko Tech, and we've got like mini 3D printed battle bots going here at the Voltech booth. Yes, they were running them earlier. Really awesome. I thought it was a fish tank before. I was wrong. Snow Labs. You want to walk through? We can walk through over here. Let's walk through this off. We'll do the whole thing. Why not? There's Josh up close. Get your Alien 3D UFO filament subscription box. Thank you very much. That's at a website near you. Let's see what else we got. Hey, there's a Sidewinder right there. We'll have to get a hold of Making with Luke. He's got something really cool. There's a robot team, a school robot team. Let's come through this way. There's Joe, the Maker Noob. There's some printer bots. What else? What else? There's a very large format printer. I'm not quite sure which ones those are. Oh, I haven't even seen this yet. This is an exclusive even for Chris Riley. Please tell me it only prints Benchies. No, I'm just kidding. But that's really awesome.
We did break the SD card reader, so it only does.
That's all I wanted to hear. Very cool, guys. I love it. How's it going? This is really cool. How you doing? These models are killer. If you haven't seen these yet. Really awesome. What do we got? What do we got? There's Tinkers. You know Keith, right? Everybody knows him. There's Martin, the man from Iceland, the man with the plan and his landscapes. He's also one of our stamping stations. I'm sure I'm missing all kinds of stuff. I don't know what that is, but I bet you that really messes with the camera. Wow, it does. That's awesome. There's Matt's all of inside the mind of Matt's sand castings and whatnot. There's the man himself, and I got his name right this time. Here's all of Luke's stuff. He's doing some crazy stuff with this linear. Oh, he lost a belt. It's sad, but he'll fix it. I got faith in him. What else? Let's say we got one more row. One more row. Man, I really need a G Create. That thing's huge. Anyway. And there's Paul's other printer. So this is the one with the servo head. Like the 5 hot ends on it. Let's see if we can get in here. I love that sound. That snapping sound is both hideous and amazing. Tool changer. The Molbot. I gotta come back over here. But how you doing, sir? Hang on. I'm showing you on YouTube here real quick first. I'll come back. I missed that one earlier. There's the Piper. Excellent. Excellent. How are you doing? Good. Piper tool changer. Okay, excellent. Well, I gotta check that one out too then. No, it's very cool. Thank you. This is a 3D Maker Kit, Bennett's enclosure. It's got a CR10 in there. Just put all the electronics on the outside. Very cool. There's Mitch 3D. Hey, man. It's getting tight through here. I need to eat less. There's our booth over there. And I don't remember where Piper was. Oh, here's Piper over here. And then Piper is actually right here. Excellent. And that is the walkthrough for now. Maybe we will do another one here soon. Hopefully that works well.